We're gonna start today's project with medium-sized brush and brown paint. We'll create an outline for an oval. Next, we'll create an outline for two circles inside of the oval. Now you can paint in the rest of the oval. Next, we'll add two triangle ears on top of the head. We'll switch to beige paint to create another oval under the first one. Next, you can paint it in. You can dip your brush in brown paint and add a wing on each side. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in dark blue paint and outline the oval. Now you can switch to a large brush and paint the rest of the background. Next, we'll switch to a medium-sized brush. We will paint a black circle in each eye. Next, you can dip your brush in dark brown paint to create a branch under the oval. We'll add a smaller branch closer to the tip of the large branch. You can dip your brush in brown paint to add a couple feathers under owl and the branch. If the paint seems too transparent, you can add second layer. Next, you can use your medium-sized brush and green paint to add leaves next to the tip of the branch. If one layer of paint was not enough, you can add second layer. We'll switch to a small brush and yellow paint to add stars in the sky. You can paint smaller stars by adding dots between large stars. To make stars brighter, you can add second layer of yellow paint. We'll keep using yellow paint to add small triangle beak on owl's face. Next, we'll paint 3 yellow fingers on one side and 3 yellow fingers on the other side. You can dip your small brush in brown paint to add couple feathers on top of beige oval. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in white paint to add small white dots in each eye. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.